Miss Tony Miranda.
May I see your own version? There's always someone who will audit us, right? Or upbeat, di ba? Ang ganda ng design, di ba? So, lumalabas mo lang naman si Puti, challenge natin. Ang dami naka-scarf ko. Or you thought, pwede may ibang lalaba mo, ay, naku, so I changed it. Not just because ngayon pag may nagsabi sa atin, there was this point in my life that I don't know myself in your foundation. You also understand what biases are. What happened has also blinded you. Dahil masyadong keep on growing. Okay. Inherited identity. Time ng mga family reunion, kasi crunchy, a lot of vows. I want to be how created you. Amen? Right? On the bigger puzzle. So now, okay. Aminin nyo. You can think about this for the land legacy to inspire calm. I want to be remembered. Sunday na po, okay? Yes, sir.
Kasi for those specialists,
Kasi isip ko pa na ba na baka apply everything that I will teach you from. Okay, yung look lang to look. Boys, I'd rather have fit and prints than I know the many truths about you. Make them feel comfortable. Yeah, very, very important. Wala pa rin sleeveless. Shoes mo, you don't need a lot of clothes left. Try natin ipasok. Make sure na hindi na today. Not afraid. You always stand on both feet at hindi isagin mo. Sample. So habang ba nag-acting? Your smile communicates that you are confident.
that's why it disappointed me.
Tuyang maghilom ang mga sugat ng puso.
So, what I'm saying is, don't be afraid to obey the chance to actually feel in my heart, which I have why. I have all the reason to have that good posture, to smile, to apply everything that will make me look confident is because someone, my dear Lord and our dear Lord chose but to look down just to save me because He replaced my labels. He replaced my labels. To acknowledge, to thank you for you announce and glorify the Lord in heaven.
Thank you so much. Hey! Ayan, napapractically ask really is my big belly. How do I choose the right clothes?
Then kung walang shaper yung clothes, make sure it's not
What's the
ending.
one clothing item everyone should own?
Blazer, and then yung kapartner niya,
What do you
trouser.
recommend?
1, 2, 3, 4, minsan 5, depende sa 6 lang, or minsan 5. Na today, I will not feel that.
Okay, so
Okay, tapos kami naman. Okay.